Hey YouTube, I know you kind of show my face, but I want to give an update about what I'm doing starting next year. Happy New Year's to everybody. Thank you for subscribing. So on the Cleveland build, currently gonna get it to a machine shop as soon as possible. Take the crank, taking pretty much everything. On the Mach 1 from a dad's, we're gonna start assembling it, so you're gonna see that soon. On the Cougar build, that's gonna be here or there, kind of, while I wait for the engine to get machined and honed and get the heads back, and I'll put a whole build series of the engine together. On the 96 Mustang, I believe it just needs a little bit more like TLC, and we're gonna take it to go get painted. And on the yellow Mustang, it just needs a drive shaft and make sure we're at top dead center. So, Happy New Year's. Thank you guys for watching the channel. See you next year.